What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend, and I think some of you definitely are, because the Pepe meme coin is very bullish again. It right now is at a $225 million market cap, which is absolutely crazy. Volume at 127 million. It's just, it's bullish again. I mean, we were, for the last, well, what is it? For the last week, we were actually consolidating quite high still. I mean, we were higher than the lows we made last week Friday, not last one, but the one before. Oh, excuse me, I almost suffocated. But yeah, I mean, a lot of people said that on Twitter as well. Pepe is a real Twitter meme coin. It's been so hyped up there. So yeah, we became bullish again. I think one of the main catalysts for this bullish momentum is partially that Bitcoin became more bullish, because Bitcoin obviously dropped down quite massively. And then usually what happens is that kind of interest for these meme coins also drops down a bit, even though Pepe was still quite bullish when Bitcoin was down. But still, and Pepe right now is just way easier to buy. I mean, still a lot of volumes coming from Uniswap, but you can buy it on Gate.io, Maxi, Huobi, pretty much like the B exchanges, I always call them, or C maybe even. But yeah, so that caused more bullish momentum. We get this second stronger rally. Now the big question is how high can we get? We now reach this 3.618 fib of this previous fib here. Around 6,000 as well, that psychological level. The big thing is, and I always say this with rallies like this, is it will continue, and this is kind of my rule of thumb with it. It will continue until we get a bearish breakout. Now, we did receive, in the last 2 hours, we did receive some bearish momentum, as you can see. Whether it is a bearish breakout or not, I'm not too sure of yet. You could argue we broke down below this 1.618 fib, but it's always a tough question to answer how strong all of these fibs are, because it's such a relatively new coin and perhaps we don't react that much to those levels. But Fibonacci levels are levels we do react to, at least Fibonacci retracement instead of Fibonacci extension. So we broke down below the 236 fib. I would say that it isn't that much of a bearish breakout yet. What I do expect is that we'll drop down to this level, around 5,000. Now there you have the 382 fib. It's a psychological level, so that's a more important Fibonacci level and level in general, key level. So what I expect is that we will drop down to that level. And if we can hold that, so if we can just hold that and get some sort of a bullish breakout, so break above 55, 5600 again, I think this bullish momentum will continue. And my first price target is the next psychological level, around 7,000. So it's all about that level. It's about that level around 5,000. As long as we're above that, as long as we can hold that as a support, we are still bullish. What will happen though is if we break down below that, because I would not confirm this. Perhaps technically this is a bearish breakout, but it's not strong enough of a level really to call it a strong bearish breakout. But if we drop down to 5,000, where we will definitely find support, and if we drop down below that, I think it's over, at least temporarily. I think we'll drop down to this level around 4,000, and after that also down to 3,500. But that is really the key for now, I think. So that's my take and my view on Pepe for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.